Welcome to the best picks. The best black cello is probably one of the most visually striking and sonically unique instruments you'll ever encounter, setting it apart from the traditional wooden cellos. Its sleek, ebony finish exudes a modern elegance while promising a rich, resonant tone that captivates listeners and players alike. In this video, we'll delve into the world of black cellos, exploring their distinctive characteristics, examining their playability, and ultimately determining whether this captivating instrument is the right choice for you. Number 5. Cecilio CCO 100 Cello Kit. This cello kit is perfect for aspiring musicians of all ages. It has everything you need to start playing right away, making learning fun and easy. It boasts a beautiful, durable design with a crack-proof spruce top and maple back. You'll love its elegant look and the rich sound it produces. This isn't just a cello, it's a complete kit. It includes a carrying case, bow, stand, rosin, and extra strings, everything you need to get started. Choosing the right size is key. Make sure to check the size chart to find the perfect fit for your height and hand size. Remember, it's a delicate instrument. The bridge isn't set up for shipping, and the tuning pegs need gentle handling. What we like? It's a complete kit, perfect for beginners of any age. Everything you need to start playing is included, making it an excellent value. If you're just starting your cello journey and want a great deal, this is the one for you. What people say. This cello far exceeded my expectations. It tuned easily. The pegs were much stiffer than reviews led me to believe they would be. I didn't expect to be able to tune or play it without buying compound first, but that was not the case. The strings, a lot of people seem to dislike the strings it comes with, but the strings I got are actually very nice sounding. Mine have a very warm, pretty sound, which is what I prefer. The body of the cello itself is beautiful. I got the black one and I love it. There are no scratches or imperfections. It's very well assembled. Number 4. Cecilio CCO 1BK Electric Cello. Experience the rich sound of this hand-carved electric cello. It's perfect for both beginners and experienced players. This instrument is crafted from high-quality solid maple wood, ensuring a resonant and warm tone. The beautiful black metallic finish adds a touch of elegance. It features exquisite ebony fittings, including the fingerboard, pegs, and tailpiece, accented with mother-of-pearl inlay. For fine tuners allow for precise adjustments. It's powered by a 9V battery, included, so you can easily plug it into an amplifier or headphones for private practice. Everything you need to start playing is included: a padded case, bow, rosin, AUX cable, and headphones. Start your musical journey today. Unpack it, tune it, and let the music flow. Enjoy the convenience and quality of this exceptional instrument. What we like? This electric cello offers a sleek design and rich sound. The ebony fittings add a touch of elegance, and the amplified sound is perfect for practice or performance. If you desire a modern twist on a classic instrument, this is your pick. What people say. The quality this has is actually insanely impressive, and I mean that different ways reasons. The body is sturdy, the neck and pegs are strong wood, rosewood, spruce, standard, but to have the feel of a $1,300 cello in a $300 purchase, great feat the sound, holy heck the sound. Just what I had hoped for. The sound in this thing is just superb. It does not carry the bass like a full body would, but do not take that as there will be little to no sound. The sound is great for apartment living small spaces. The craftsmanship is amazing and the sound is beautiful. So far this fits the bill. It was inexpensive, at least as cello kits go, and while I was a little worried about friction tuners on an inexpensive instrument, so far it seems to be holding up nicely. No strange buzzes, hardware is not too flimsy, it comes with almost everything you need including rosin, case, cheap headphones, bow, strings, a 1/8 to 1/4 cord for your amp, and a polishing rag. Plays just like the rental did, and sounds fine. Being able to amp it means you can fool with the tone a bit to get the sound you want. Number 3. Ktaxon 4/4 Cello Set. Let's get started with this beautiful cello set. It comes complete with everything you need to begin your musical journey. Notice the perfect fit of the bridge and body. This ensures rich, resonant tones, bringing your music to life. It's crafted from carefully selected basswood and maple, known for their exceptional resonance and durability. You'll feel the quality in your hands. The smooth, semi-painted finish is comfortable to hold and visually stunning. It's a beautiful instrument you'll be proud to own. This padded bag will keep your cello safe and sound, protecting it during transport. The durable Oxford cloth ensures long-lasting protection. This set includes everything you need to start playing right away, including a bow, rosin, and bridge. It's perfect for beginners and experienced players alike. The steel strings are designed to reduce finger fatigue, making practice more enjoyable. It's a comfortable instrument for players of all skill levels. What we like? It boasts a rich, resonant tone thanks to its carefully selected materials. The included bag is top-notch, ensuring your instrument is well protected. If you prioritize sound quality and protection, this is the ideal choice. What people say. Craftsmanship is a little here and there, but overall I didn't end up needing to replace anything and it sounds great. The packaging was beyond anything I've received from any other seller so far. Cello's tunes easy and holds tune well. I think this cello has fantastic tone, as others have said. Very beautiful sound. Also, very beautiful fit and finish. A great alternative to expensive rentals for students. Importantly, it holds its tune well. Number 2. Cecilio 4/4 Student Cello. This cello is perfect for student musicians. It's full-sized and comes with everything you need to start playing. Notice the beautiful, high-luster varnish. It gives it a rich look and protects the wood. It features a crack-proof spruce top and maple neck, back, and sides, built to last. The fingerboard and pegs are maple, and it has an alloy tailpiece with fine tuners for precise tuning. Everything is included: a hard and soft case, bow, rosin, bridge, stand, and an extra set of strings. You're ready to play right away. The included bow is made from Brazil wood with genuine Mongolian horsehair, ensuring a high-quality playing experience. With its full size and complete accessories, it's ready to be played by aspiring cellists. Start your musical journey today. What we like? This cello shines with its beautiful high-luster finish. The inclusion of both hard and soft cases provides ultimate protection. Extra strings are a bonus for peace of mind. If you value a polished look and comprehensive protection, this is the one. What people say. The craftsmanship is truly impressive. The neck and soundboard were perfectly straight with no warping. The bridge feet fit perfectly against the top of the instrument at the internal centering notches in the F-holes. The sound post was upright and in its proper place on arrival. It even survived -20 F outside temps when shipping with no cracks or dings on the cello body or its beautiful gloss finish. The tuning pegs hold their pitch nicely for long periods of time. The bass strings sound warm and full like the European cellos, while the treble strings were powerful and articulate with amazing resonance. The hard shell case is lined with thick foam and a red velvet-like material. Number 1. Acoustic Cello Set. This beautiful cello is perfect for adult players. It's a full-size instrument, ready to create rich, resonant tones. It comes complete with a sturdy case, bow, and rosin, everything you need to begin your musical journey. No extra purchases required. The padded case features convenient accessory pockets and adjustable backpack straps for easy transport. Take it anywhere with ease. It boasts a maple spruce top, basswood neck, back, and sides. The solid wood fingerboard and pegs, along with aluminum alloy tailpiece, ensure superior sound and durability. This exquisite cello makes a superior gift for music lovers of all skill levels. Give the gift of music and years of enjoyment. Carefully unpack your new instrument and admire its craftsmanship. Get ready to make some beautiful music. What we like? It's a full-size cello perfect for adults, and comes with everything you need to get started. It offers great value for the price. If you need a simple, affordable, yet complete set, this is your best bet. What people say. It stays in tune, looks and sounds nice. Amazing sound, way better than a violin because it doubles as a bass. Play it with a bow or fingers, lots of fun to play. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.